The Samsung Galaxy M21 comes with an Infinity U-Cut display that provides an immersive viewing experience. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The phone is available in midnight blue and raven black colors. Samsung Galaxy M21 is available in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in both variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. The Galaxy M21 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus Infinity U display that gives you an immersive viewing experience with minimal interruption. The 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution, 404 ppi pixel density and 16M color support. The phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner that lets you unlock your phone instantly and securely. The phone has a triple rear camera setup with ultra high resolution ISOCELL bright GM2 sensor. It also comes with a 20MP front facing punch hole camera. The phone lets you record videos at 4K resolution. Powered by the Android version 10.0, an Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It also comes with an AI game booster to enhance your gaming experience. The phone is powered by a 6000 mAh battery that gives you up to 26 hours of video playback. It also comes with a 15-watt Type-C fast charger. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.